And what ours going to do is really good layers, not too thick, not too thin. And this is like thick density. So now Glitz, a few months ago, will release is thick, triple thick for a huge crystals, the big charm and chains crystal. So that is an extra thick. You can able to find that also on the under tool and glue gels. So I'm go ahead and apply is one layer. You can see that I spread the bristle, so it means that is thick density. And I'm gonna spread it to make sure it's even and it will get pretty much completely covers the nails, because you never know that you want to apply it on the clients who want to add a couple more beads or frame or another crystal on. So then you make sure you have the condensed glue gel to back you up. And then we're going to move into the floating the no wipe top coat. So now keep in mind, if your clients, you might have 1 or 2 clients, is they want to do is matte finish, you can use a matte top coat, no wipe top coat. Make sure that it has to be no wipe. It's no tacky layer. And then you can use those instead of using the shiny top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the centerpiece. So everything is start with the centerpiece. I really like this, but also it's a purple though. Cool. Purple on the purple. So I'm going to pick this one. It's going to be a centerpiece for me. And then I will want to add. You can go, this is really cool about this. You can go this way or you can go the other way. Either way, whichever way you want your drop to be. Your drop can be toward to the cuticles or can be toward the free on the free edges. Either way. Put right in there. This is so cute. This is a glove crystal. Also is from the special in this sub box this month. Special for sub box this month. It is a March sub box, aka is anniversary sub box, and it has included every single sub box. It's $50 of Glitz gift card in there. To special is say thank you so much to every single one of you for the amazing love and support, for the continued support, and we wouldn't be here without every single of you. So we say it, we mean it. That's why we want it just so special for you, to special thanks to you, and just say thanks only, you know. So now, if you like it so much, you can add some beads on. If you don't want anything else, absolutely, you can just like go right in, put it right under the LED lamp. All right. Oh, so it looks so cute though. Lily, you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna add one more beads. Ah, so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here because I getting into it and like I'm like really into it, and I'm like starting a little bit more and more and more, and then soon you're like, Nancy, you are going a little bit too far. So I'm gonna stop right here before you are yelling at me. See how beautiful it is. You can keep in mind, you can change the bows in a different colors. You don't have to do a purple. You can do pink, you can do red, you can do white, you can do cream, you can do beige, you can do nude colors, you can do what other colors we have, green, gray, whatever it is that we have. Make sure this one show on this and this, you know, in the middle. Yeah. Okay, here for 60 seconds.